Okay, so the next piece we're about to do, oh, actually, it's not a piece, it's a song, right?
It's a jam.
It's the song. This song was a hit throughout the year 2019 into 2020. A lot of people love it, and it's our own rendition of Rebecca Malope's hit entitled Moya Wami. Okay, fine. Carry on. Okay, here we've got my brother Topsani Azilevigi. He sings second tenor and lead with focus a cappella. He's a very good lead, actually. Yeah.
Okay, so this is Justice Ncube. He sings second tenor, and most of the leads is a very good lead.
The lily amongst the thorns, Francisca Bako. She sings first tenor and lead.
Okay, so these two gentlemen, we call them the diesel engine. We have Cosmo on baritone and Clemens on bass. He's our bass bin. So these guys have taken all the parts. Now it's up to me to do whatever I want with the song. So I'm gonna try and be creative and find something nice to do. So I hope you will like it. Huh? Let's have fun. Okay, let's sing.
Besana nazo mina ngiyazi yebo mina ngiyazi usandiqinile hlale duze kwami bawo niyabonga ngoba usandiqinile hlale duze kwami bawo niyabonga ngoba usandiqinile hlale duze kwami niyabonga ngoba usandiqinile.
Yes, this is Focus a cappella from the city of Kings, Bulawayo in Zimbabwe. We also have our yellow bone in the group, Tembelihle Sibanda. We call it Tembi.